An ING file contains banking transaction records from ING Financial Services. Your account activity stored in a structured export format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, import, or convert these bank statement files. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor ING corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. ING files are electronic bank statement files from ING Bank containing transaction records including dates, descriptions, amounts, and account balances. They are used for personal financial management and importing transaction data into accounting and budgeting software. ING bank statement files typically use CSV or proprietary tab-delimited formats, with fields for transaction date description, debit, credit, and running balance. They follow regional banking data standards and may include IBAN account identifiers and currency codes. The operating system preferentially attempts to open ING using Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows may display simple metadata, but full interpretation depends on relevant applications. Let's troubleshoot the file association error. Right-click your ING file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Excel if installed. If unavailable, choose a different app. That is often the key to unlocking the file. If the ING file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, opening the file. Open the ING file in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. By selecting File, then Open and browsing to the file. If columns do not separate correctly, use the text import wizard and specify the correct delimiter such as comma, semicolon, or tab for your regional format. Next, importing into accounting software. Import the ING statement into QuickBooks, YNAB, or GnuCash using the application's bank statement import feature. Map the ING file columns to the software's required fields, including date payee amount and category for accurate transaction categorization. Finally, converting formats. If your financial software does not recognize the ING format, open the file in Excel and use Save As to convert it to standard CSV format. Rearrange columns to match your accounting software's expected import format, such as OFX or QF using a bank statement converter tool. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.